Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Play Store on your laptop. So let's get into it. First of all, open up your browser. Click the dots in the top right corner. In Google Apps, open Play Store. Then click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to More Tools. Then create shortcut. Click on Open as Window. Press the Create button. Play Store is now installed. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.